Hey YouTube, last week I had an unboxing of my new keyboard. It's the HP Wireless Elite keyboard. I believe it's the same keyboard that comes with the HP TouchSmart PC, but as you can see it's really thin. In the unboxing I said that I would have a later review, so I've had about a week or so to use it now. Play around with it, and here's my review of what I think. So when you open the box, if you want to see the box, you just head over to the unboxing video right into my channel. When you open the box, you've obviously got the keyboard. You have a CD for driver software, which I didn't actually need to use because Windows Update found it just fine. And then you also have the little USB drive that goes into your computer. The keyboard costs about $50. I got it at, where did I get that? I think Best Buy for $50. So here we go. Obviously it's really thin. We have the number pad on the right and then the regular keyboard here. Media buttons are with the function key, and you've got F1's the question mark, and then rewind, backtrack, stop, play, pause, fast forward, forward to track, eject, switch displays, volume or brightness down, brightness up. Functions F12 won't get you anywhere. Print screen is the system requirements button, and then you have volume buttons for mute, volume down, and volume up. Now, my least favorite thing about this keyboard isn't really with the keyboard, it's with this little guy right here. When I press any key on the keyboard, whatever it is, look what happens. I'll press the Windows key. It lights up really brightly with a blue LED. Now during the day it's not that big of a deal, but at night I turn my screen brightness down. I don't have this light on. Obviously it's dark outside, so it's insanely bright and really obnoxious, and the only way to turn that off would be to open it up and pull the LED out of it, which I'm not going to do. So what I do is I take this my headphones case and I stick it over there, but that's really obnoxious. If it's with a desktop and it's behind the computer, it's probably going to light up your whole room bright blue, but that's the only thing that I do not like about that. The keyboard is really comfortable. There's not a lot of feedback with the buttons. This is my ThinkPad obviously, but it feels really good to type on. It's quiet. It's not like one of those big kerplunk keys that are. I actually have one of those old keyboards. Not old, but this is a Logitech. This is that Wave Run one. I don't really like it all that much. I still use it. It's got some nice buttons up at the top, and it came with this mouse, which I still use. But anyways, this is by far my favorite keyboard I've ever used. I've got a HP Pavilion here, and I really like its keyboard, but it does not feel as good as this keyboard. Both being HP keyboards, I really like this HP Wireless Elite keyboard. Super thin. It runs on 2 AAA batteries in the back, and as far as connectivity goes, it's pretty well. It works pretty well. Let's open up WordPad on the computer there. Make it a little bigger, and change the font so we can see it. I mean, it'll work if I scoot back in my office here about 10 feet. It works just fine. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm back about 10 feet, 12 feet. Now there's some boxes in the way, and it works fine. I mean, you're not going to have to worry about interference at all with this. If I go over here into the next room, I bet it'll work. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty good, guys, don't you think? I could not even see the computer. The USB is, that little drive there is covered up with my case, as you should be able to see there. But it really works perfectly. I was actually on the other side of this wall here in my kitchen, and it was working. And I went over there diagonal past the stairs, and it worked. So really, connectivity is not something you're going to have to worry about. Anyways, that pretty much concludes the review. One thing I did leave out is get a little sleep button up there. But I am very happy with this. It's very thin, obviously wireless, easy to stow away if you don't want it out on your desk. Really happy with it. Definitely recommend it. So there you go, the review of the HP Wireless Elite keyboard. Thanks for watching.